Looking for a dependable power distribution block that keeps your wiring safe and organized? The RV Boat PAT 12 volts 150A power distribution block offers a solid solution for marine, automotive, and solar setups. Designed to handle up to 48 volts DC and 150 amps continuously, it's built tough for demanding environments where reliability matters. What sets this busbar apart is its smart design. It features 12 stainless steel M4 terminal screws and a 1/4 M6 terminal stud with a nut, making installation straightforward and wire routing hassle-free. This means less time fumbling with connections and more time powering your boat, car, or solar system efficiently. When you get the RVBOAT-PAT kit, you're not just getting one busbar. You receive a positive 12-volt busbar, a ground busbar, 2 protective covers, 221 Aruban fluorine per 4 copper lugs, and 24 terminals. Everything you need to set up a clean, safe, and reliable power distribution system comes right in the box. Durability is key here. The busbar is crafted from thick tinned copper, which resists corrosion and supports a steady 150A current without overheating. The base is made from high-quality ABS plastic, mechanically strong, insulated, heat-resistant, and flame-retardant, ensuring safety and longevity even in tough conditions. Keeping your wiring neat isn't just about looks, it reduces the risk of shorts and electrical faults. This busbar is perfect for cars, caravans, boats, yachts, and solar power systems. It helps organize your circuits, so everything runs smoothly and safely, no matter where you use it. The design also includes thoughtful safety features. The terminal stud nuts have a washer design for full contact between the copper bar and lugs, stabilizing the current flow. Plus, reinforced covers secured with nylon nuts protect against accidental shorts, giving you peace of mind in any setup. Sustainability is built into this product, too. It contains at least 50% recycled materials and uses safer chemicals that protect both human health and the environment. Manufactured under strict worker well-being standards, it's a responsible choice for eco-conscious buyers. If you're ready to upgrade your wiring with a reliable, durable, and safe power distribution block, the RV Boat PAT 12 volts 150A busbar is worth a look. It's a practical investment that keeps your circuits tidy and your power flowing without interruption.